Welcome! In front of me I have a Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch. To do it, press and hold the middle button. Once the settings open, scroll through the menu, find the customize option and tap on it. Here tap on watch face, and right here we have the list of watch faces. Basically you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it, and some of the watch faces allow you to select the color. So find the color you like and then tap on it to apply it. And here we have our watch face. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.